Imagine a world where the glow of holiday lights doesn't come with the hassle of untangling, the risk of climbing ladders, or the frustration of burnt-out bulbs. Welcome to the realm of effortless holiday glamour with Festive Glow. We are your premier holiday lighting and decor installation professional company. We provide an all-encompassing service from custom design tailored to your style and wants to installation, even including maintenance, takedown, and storage year-round. No more fretting over precarious ladder positions or stubborn light strands. Our team of experts takes care of everything, leaving you with nothing but unadulterated joy. Embrace the magic, the warmth, and the sparkle of the season minus the stress. After all, holidays are about celebration, not troubleshooting a strand of twinkling lights. So recline, unwind, and let us deliver the holiday cheer. For this year's season, we love to share our latest innovation, the RGBW Christmas tree. With over 16 million colors, designs, and patterns, this tree is sure to be a showstopper and the talk of your neighborhood. Give us a call, secure your spot, and leave all the worries to us.